name is August Hasenroth. I'm in electronics, and how math relates to our shop is Ohm's Law. Alright, this is the Ohm's Law wheel. It measures watts, amps, ohms, and volts. Okay? Amps is current, ohms is resistance, volts is like the power source, and then watts is power. Alright, so the formula for finding amps, if you have volts and resistance, is volts divided by resistance. So that would be this divided by this equals this. Alright, then to find it with watts and voltage, you do watts divided by voltage equals amps. Okay, and then to find it with watts and resistance, you do the square root of watts divided by resistance equals there. So then resistance, the formulas are V divided by I, V squared divided by W, which is watts, and then W divided by I squared. So that would be this divided by this equals this, this squared divided by this equals this, and then this divided by this squared equals this. Alright? Volts is IR, I times R, so that would be this times this. Watts divided by current, which is that and that. That divided by that. And then the square root of watts divided times ohms. Okay? You got that? And then watts is volts times current, current squared times resistance, or volts squared divided by resistance. And that's the 9 or so, 12 different formulas of the Ohm's Law. We have the basic Ohm's Law pyramid that we learned in 9th grade. Alright, so it's V divided by R equals I, V divided by I equals R, and then I times R equals V. And that's volts, resistance, and current. Action.
Alright, my name is Trey. I'm in electronics. This is a basic circuit. We have a battery, a resistor, a light, lamp, and I is the current. So we need to find I, which is current. So we come over here, we gotta do voltage divided by resistance. So go 9 divided by 1,000, it's right here, which equals 0.009 amps, which is the current. Alright, now we're looking for a resistance. So over here, we have to do voltage divided by current. Which is 1,000 ohms, which is our resistance. Okay. Alright, so now we're looking for voltage, which we do I, which is current, times resistance, which is resistance. We go which it will give you voltage, which is 9 volts is the voltage. So now we're looking for a wattage for the light bulb. When we come over here, we do voltage times current. So we do 9, which is the voltage, times, which is the wattage, 0.081. And that's how the Ohm's Law wheel works.